Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a serum, which will make your eyebrows and lashes thicker in just 3 days. All of us want thick, luxurious eyelashes, and to achieve that look, sometimes we use fake eyelashes. But today, I'm going to show you how to get full lashes naturally. In only 3 days, your brows and lashes will appear thicker and fuller. Before getting started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies. First, we're going to take a clean bowl and add some petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Next, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it thoroughly. After you've mixed it up, you can store it in a container for up to 6 months at a time. Apply this serum directly to your brows and eyelashes during your evening skincare routine using your fingertips. Be sure to apply a generous amount of serum. If you want to grow your lashes even longer, use this serum continuously for up to 1 week. You have to use this remedy daily to see consistent growth. And yes, boys, you can use this serum on your beard as well. Just be sure to apply a nice thick coat before you go to sleep at night. Wash the remedy off in the morning. After just 3 days of use, your lashes will look noticeably thick and beautiful. This tested and true remedy works 100% of the time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies.